Hello everyone.
Today is a very big day for all Indians as we rejoice in the celebration of National Law Day or the Constitution Day. It is celebrated in India on every 26 November to commemorate the adoption of the National Constitution. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950.
A constitution is not merely a documental set of laws. It is a vehicle of light, a spirit of religions. When we talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we remember a constitution. And when we talk about Muhammad Sahib Ambedkar, we remember our India. These two are inseparable.
Our constitution has given us many fundamental rights like right to equality, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies.
Today, we the students of class 7th are going to present few fundamental rights before you. The first fundamental right is right to equality.
Dad, please give me 3000 rupees.
3000 rupees? Why?
As school is conducting a trip.
3000 rupees I will not allow you.
Dad, please give me 3000 rupees.
Why my child?
Our school is conducting a trip to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Thank you. Woohoo!
Dad, why did you give him but why not me?
You are a girl, he's a boy.
Dad, you can't do this to me because I have a right to equality.
Sorry my child.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes, she is right. Everyone has right to equality. Nobody should not be discriminated by his or hers caste or gender. Everybody has respect in places like hotels, hospitals, parks, etc. The next right is right against exploitation.
Balloon, ma'am.
No, I don't want to buy any.
Ma'am, please buy one balloon, ma'am. One is just for 5 rupees, ma'am.
Wait, what are you doing here at this time? You should be at school now.
Ma'am, my father did not set me in any school, ma'am. He said me to sell balloons on the roads, ma'am.
Where is your father? I want to meet him.
Okay, ma'am, I'll take you to my father. Dad.
What?
Somebody came to meet you.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Who are you, ma'am?
I am a responsible citizen of India. So, what type of father are you who sends his child on roads to sell balloons?
He is my child. I can make him what I want to go. So, who are you to tell about all of these?
As a responsible citizen, I have a right. And according to the fundamental right against exploitation given by our constitution, it is illegal to employ children under the age of 14 years. So, you may go to jail for this.
Sorry, ma'am. I will send him to school. Child, you want to go to school?
Yes, father.
Okay.
Yes, Pooja is right. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labors, and employment of children under 14 years of age. Next is cultural and educational rights.
Hi Rishi,
Hi Darshita, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I just wanted to say you one thing that last year I had attended the college.
Hey, what kind of college is this?
It has all types of modern education, including cultural activities such as games, sports, art and crafts, drawing, dance, and music.
But India is a secular country, right?
Yes, India is a secular country, but the minorities, caste system, religions can set up a common school or common institution for students where they can study together.
Best of luck for your college.
Thank you.
Yes, cultural and educational rights. Minorities, linguistics, and religions can set their own institutions in order to resolve and for the development of their country. The next right is right to religious freedom.
Akshita, what are they doing?
I too don't know about it.
Hi Akshita. What are you discussing about?
We are discussing about those religions. Do you know about it?
Yes, they are practicing their religion. India is a secular country which treats all the religions equally.
Yes, religious freedom is provided to all Indian citizens. Every person has their own right to practice the religion of their own choice. Next is right to constitutional remedies.